This video guide will help you set up your Blizzard sampler for success using Teledyne ISCO's new PFAS sampling kit. Please refer to the PFAS sampling kit manual for more information, including how to better avoid PFAS contamination. This video will explain how to install or use Category 1 items. Please change gloves after every step. Opening part packages can contaminate equipment. Read the included PFAS sampling kit disclaimer statement. The kit also includes some Category 2 items that do not come in contact with the sample, but are used in the sampling process. Teledyne ISCO has developed the kit to make PFAS sampling accurate and easy. To install the pump tubing, first unscrew the tube cover and release the clamp. Insert the longer end of the pump tubing as shown and guide it through the other end. Align the blue stripes with the notches here. Close the tube cover and screw it back in. Then lock the clamp. Attach the long end of the pump tubing to the sampler. Inside the sampler, connect the discharge tube and guide it through the metal bracket. Run the tube through the hole in the pipe and out the bottom. To prepare the suction line, first screw a 3/8 inch tube coupling into the suction line tubing. On the other end of the tubing, screw in the low flow strainer. Insert the tube coupling into the shorter end of the pump tubing. Insert the strainer into the field blank, filled with PFAS-free water. Prepare to collect the equipment blank by holding the open bottle below the discharge tube. Press 3, then enter on the sampler interface. Collect the water in the equipment blank. Promptly cap the bottle. To prepare the Pro Pack, fold in the bottom of the bag to its first corner and insert the bag into the 2.5 gallon bottle. Secure the Pro Pack bag to the mouth of the bottle with the provided O-ring. Ensure the bag is open to allow the discharge tube to enter easily. For more information, please refer to the PFAS sampling kit manual or visit teledyneisco.com.